name's Rebecca Evans. I'm a digital dance artist and choreographer, and I've been facilitating and leading the last 3 days of this PRO GATI Dance Digital lab and workshop. So the first Saturday, it was myself and Divya Kasturi coming in, and we co-led a day where we introduced dance artists to different digital dance artists making out there in the space. So what was out there? What kind of different digital and dance artists are working together? And what does that space look like? Where can we see dance? What different platforms it can now be seen on in terms of VR or through AR apps? Or how can we change the relationship between the audience and the performer? At the end of the day, we started to do some rapid ideation where we came up with some really kind of out-of-the-box ideas and thought about what kind of technology might suit those ideas best.
Hello there, I am Priya Sundar, a South Asian dance practitioner. The motion sensor was fantastic. I really enjoyed it. We created some patterns, and the 3-day workshop was really planned, I should say, meticulously, so that we really went on step by step. Like introduction was given, we created something, and then so I'm going out with an idea that yes, I can do something out of this. I can create a small project out of this.
On the second Saturday, we did some paper prototyping. So the ideas that we came up with on the first Saturday, we then paper prototyped. And this is a way to kind of explore and develop your idea, but without technology. So then you can be clearer with the creative technologist when you come to work with them. We then had Akash Adetra come in and talk about his practice. And at the end of the day, we did some kind of nitty-gritty of production. So what do timelines look like when you work with dance and digital? What does the budgets look like? What kind of partners are out there? And where do we find the collaborators that we work with?
My name is Shriya Sharma. I'm a Bharatanatyam dancer from Birmingham, and I'm 19 years old. My favourite moment was probably using the motion capture. That was so fun. I haven't ever used a VR headset before, so watching someone else create that movement in that way, and seeing them dance but without seeing their body, like seeing the different points of their different joints but moving, and recognizing their movements, and even getting to have a go and creating my own movements. That was so fun. It was so amazing.
On this last Saturday, we had a digital play day. So we invited 3 different digital artists to come in, share their practice, and have the dance artists get to experience those different practices. So we've had Clemens DeVay come in, sharing her motion capture. And then we've had Ben Neal and Karen Wise from Display Studios sharing volumetric capture. And then Nick Rawlings with a spatialized sound system. To spend about an hour in each of the different systems and play with them and start to really understand what the processes for working with these are, what the choreographic possibilities, and just to start to kind of really generate some new ideas, inspire and excite.